This video, I'll be showing you how I make my corporate collars for shirt. This is a male collar and I'm already top stitching, and this top stitching in a way gives it like a design look. When you are top stitching, make sure that you use 0.25 to top stitch from one edge to the other. You can see that I just finished the top stitching, and then I'm trying to knitting it up. Here I'm going to notch. I need to notch, and I know that I've always spoken about notching your fabric so you can know the center. Okay, I'm done notching the collar itself. I'm going to put the three pieces together. That's the three pieces that makes the collar. Here is the under collar. So I'm going to notch it too. Okay, I've notched it. It remains the last pieces, which is the other side of the under collar. I'm notching it too. Yes, this will help me to centralize so the collar will not shift to one side more than the other. I'm trying to check the right side of the collar of the fabric. So that's the right side that I place the collar on. So I'm placing the right side of the under collar on the collar too. This is the way you are going to position your own to have the best result. And note that I'm starting from the middle. I'm starting from the center. Start from the center too. Don't start from the edge. Start from the center and then you move to the curved side. You can see that I slowed down as I was going to sew the curved side of the collar. I'm done with that. So I'm going to start from the other edge now and I will sew to the center. I just started sewing. So I'm going to move to the center. Okay, so the whole collar is sealed now. I'm done sewing it. I'm just knitting it. It shouldn't be too wide. 0.25 will just be fine. So after this, I'm going to turn the collar and that will be the end. Make sure you like and you give a thumb up for this video, and also follow me for more videos on shirt making.